Welcome back! In 2025, camera technology is evolving faster than ever, but even the best cameras can be improved with the right accessories. Whether you're a filmmaker, a photographer or content creator, having the right tools can make a massive difference in your workflow and image quality. And in this video we're diving into 4 must-have camera accessories that you should know about in 2025. So let's get started. And first up, let's talk about power. If you shoot on location or do long sessions, you know battery life is one of the biggest concerns. And here we need to talk about the UPO Tri-Charge, a game changer in the world of portable charging. Thanks to Peter Lindgren, this isn't just another power bank. The UPO Tri-Charge is a 3-in-1 charging solution designed specifically for photographers and videographers. It allows you to charge up to 3 batteries simultaneously, making it perfect for those who rely on multiple camera batteries throughout the day. So no more swapping out batteries one by one, just dock them in and you're good to go. On top, it also shows the real-time charging status, so no more guessing which battery is fully charged. You will have all the information right at your fingertips. This is especially useful when you're in a fast-paced shooting environment and need to grab a fully powered battery in seconds. But there's even more that I need to mention. It also features slots for SD cards, making it a super versatile accessory that you can use all the time. In your studio, on the go, it's just amazing. On top, the compact design of the Tri-Charge means it won't take up much room in your camera bag. But don't let its size fool you. It's built with durable materials to withstand the wear and tear of travel and on-location shoots. So whether you're out there in the forest for some detail shots or running around the city capturing dynamic street photography, you can trust that the Tri-Charge will hold up. In combination with the USB charging capabilities, you can also use it as a power bank for other devices like your smartphone. This means fewer chargers to carry and more efficiency in your workflow. What I also really like is that the Tri-Charge is available for all kind of camera brands. Whether you're shooting with Canon, Sony or Nikon, this charge ensures you can keep rolling without interruptions. And especially in 2025, efficiency is key, and the UPO Tri-Charge ensures that you never run out of power when you need it the most. So if you're serious about shooting on the go, this is an accessory you can't afford to overlook. Next up, let's talk about filters, and here I used the Polar Pro Helix filter. And yes, Polar Pro is known for making some of the best filters out there. Especially the Helix Everyday filter is my favorite in terms of quality while being incredibly easy to use. One of the standard features is the Helix mounting system, which makes it possible that you don't need the traditional filter threads. Basically, this means you can quickly attach and remove the filter without having to screw it on and off, saving valuable time when switching between different shooting environments or lenses. And I personally use 2 filters, the Everyday filter and the Mist PL version. Both offer a polarizer and a black mist effect, but the Mist PL version is just a little bit stronger. I decided to buy both versions because I wanted to make it as easy as possible for me to get the results that I need. And yes, in my opinion, this filter is all about creating that dreamy cinematic aesthetic. It softens highlights and adds a halo effect around bright lights, perfect for adding a beautiful diffusion that enhances the mood of any scene. It's especially great if you want to add a bit of magic and atmosphere straight to your shots. So if you're looking to enhance your photography or videography, I can absolutely recommend the Polar Pro Helix filter. While it's not the cheapest option available, the Helix version, in my opinion, offers great value for its versatility and the quality of the result it produces. So definitely check them out. And next, let's talk about light. Lighting can make or break your shots, and that's where the Aperture MC RGB light comes in. And yes, Aperture is a trusted name in the lighting world, and their MC RGB light is one of the most versatile compact lights you can get. It's pocket-sized but incredibly powerful, making it perfect for adding creative lighting to your shots, whether you're shooting in a studio or in the field. What makes this light stand out is its fully RGB color range and adjustable color temperature. You can create any lighting effect with the single unit, from soft daylight to dramatic colored lighting. On top, it also features hue, saturation and intensity controls, so you can fine-tune your colors with precision. And in combination with a built-in battery, you don't have to worry about external power sources, and it charges via USB-C. It also includes magnetic mounting, allowing you to attach it to metal surfaces without additional accessories, making it a super versatile light. So for creators looking to take their lighting game to the next level, the Aperture MC RGB is an absolute must-have. I can highly recommend to wait for some sales to save some bucks here, but definitely check them out. And finally, let's talk about a simple yet powerful tool that opens up a whole world of lens possibilities, the Canon EF to RF adapter. If you're using one of Canon's mirrorless RF mount cameras, but you still have a collection of EF lenses at home, this adapter is an essential piece of gear. Sure, Canon's RF system is incredible and I absolutely love it, but some of the best and most affordable lenses ever made are still in the EF lineup. And this adapter lets you seamlessly use your EF lenses on RF mount bodies without losing autofocus performance or image quality. What makes the Canon EF to RF adapter even better is that there are different versions available, including one with a control ring, giving you extra customization for aperture, ISO and other settings. There's also a version with a drop-in filter support, allowing you to add ND or polarizer filters filters without needing front-mounted filters on your lenses. And yes, basically the adapter maintains full electronic communication between the camera and lens, so you get autofocus and image stabilization just like you would with a native RF lens. Beyond basic functionality, the EF to RF adapter allows photographers and videographers to continue using some of Canon's legendary glass without feeling pressure to instantly switch to RF lenses. Many EF lenses still offer incredible image quality at a fraction of the cost of their RF counterparts, making this adapter a cost-effective way to maximize your investments in Canon's system. And yes, in my opinion, Canon has ensured that the transition from the EF to the RF mount is as smooth as possible, and this adapter is proof of that. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, a wedding photographer, or just someone who has invested in a couple of EF lenses over the years, this accessory will help you to future-proof your gear without sacrificing quality or performance. So for anyone transitioning to Canon's mirrorless system, this adapter is a must-have in 2025. It ensures you get the most out of your EF glass while enjoying the benefits of Canon's RF system. But yeah, these are 4 must-have camera accessories that you should know about in 2025. But what do you think? What's your favorite accessory? Let me know that in the comments. So, thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new, don't forget to smash that subscribe button to stay updated for upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next video.